the toads. I see a lot of people just hanging out at the toads right now. I'm not sure how I feel about that. Let's get back to work.
We gotta stay in it. Make sure you get the super blobs too. They're gonna give us double our score if you find any of the bigger super blobs. Dude, my eyes are literally starting to fucking water up. I'm over here focused. Keep pushing, guys. Only good vibes, only good energy. Don't look at the scoreboard. Just focus on getting blobs and taking them back to our
Voyager! I just heard from the Toad Bros. They are satisfied with the blobs. It's time to unblock the gateway. Everyone get back to the Toads, give them the rest of your magic blobs, and let's unblock this gateway. Captain, get your teams to the Toads. Now.
Alright, team.
It's all about that
I
line.
pinged a super blob. See if you can find them. Use those jump boots to get